The Galaxy S25 Ultra is anticipated to be a major improvement over earlier Galaxy S series phones. It ought to have a brand new appearance, improved cameras, a quicker CPU, and updated software. Furthermore, there are rumors that it might finally have the RAM bump that enthusiasts have been demanding. Reliable tipster Ice Universe Ice claims that there is a 16GB RAM edition of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Despite the fact that the tipster left out the Galaxy S25 Ultra from the message, historical data suggests he is referring to Samsung's upcoming top model. Furthermore, more than only RAM capacity is being improved. According to a prior rumor, Samsung might introduce LPDDR6 RAM into its flagship smartphones by 2025. For your information, Samsung phones had previously featured 16GB of RAM. 16GB of RAM was available in versions of the Galaxy S20 Ultra and Galaxy S21 Ultra. However, Samsung chose to maintain 12GB of RAM on the Galaxy S22 Ultra and subsequent phones, even for their most expensive variants. Tech enthusiasts will be ecstatic if the Galaxy S25 Ultra comes with 16GB of RAM. Not only is additional RAM advantageous for multitaskers, but it also improves AI performance. If all other things stay the same, devices with higher RAM can handle AI features more effectively. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, which has Qualcomm's unique Oryon CPU cores, will probably be included in the Galaxy S25 Ultra. These cores are currently found in laptops running the Snapdragon X Elite chipset. Additionally, there are rumors that Qualcomm's upcoming flagship smartphone chip will have a significantly more potent GPU, making it an excellent choice for gaming. A 200-megapixel primary camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 50-megapixel telephoto, 3x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel super telephoto, 5x optical zoom, are purportedly included in the Galaxy S25 Ultra's camera lineup. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.